is here. They're celebrating the Thanksgiving Day in America. I love this. So beautiful. Oh gosh. It's so beautiful. My gosh. So nice how they celebrate in America their Thanksgiving. This is Audrey watching today. We are watching with my grandson. My grandson is here. My grandson is doing his homework. He's so busy coloring. And I'm busy watching the Thanksgiving parade in America. There you go. I'm going back there. It looks so beautiful. So amazing. So many people watching. My gosh. And here I am watching too. There is more coming. There is one more is coming. Wow, so beautiful. I love watching all of this. I watch this every year. Oh, what a beautiful Thanksgiving Day. Look at that, Gael. You watch that. There's again my son, grandson. He also watched with me. There you go. Back to the celebration. Nice. Yeah. There's another one, Gael. So beautiful. I love this. There you go. I'm watching too. Trying to get some. It's day today watching the America Thanksgiving party. Thanksgiving celebration. Another one looks so beautiful. This the Thanksgiving celebration in America. I love this. We are watching with my grandson. So nice. There, everybody's happy. So many people. There you go. So many people watching. Oh, how nice. I wish I am there. Oh. Let's watch more, guys. Let's continue watching. Let's continue watching. There is my grandson. There is my grandson. He is always enjoying watching with Lola. Wait. There's another one. So beautiful. Wow. I love it. There you go. There you go. So nice. My grandson is going out. Oh, these are all his toys. All on the floor. I have to fix this again. I have to pack them all again. My grandson is funny. He's always playing on all his toys every day on the floor. Anyway, back to what I'm watching. There's another one. It's so cool. It looks so cool and beautiful. Wow. I enjoy watching this. Oh my gosh. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Back there again. Thanks for watching, guys. There is Macy's. This is the clothing company where my niece was a model when she was